Respected Dr. G. Alvin Joseph, Associate Professor of Assam University. Respected Shri Raul Ahmed Barbria, Assistant Teacher of PM Shri Baskandi. Reverend Father Sangram, the Principal of the school. Reverend Father Amit Kujur, the Vice Principal. Sister Magdalene, the Headmistress. Brother Kirbasus, the Vice Principal of Don Bosco School Silchar. Sisters from Saint Kapitan Yoha Secondary School. Dear teachers, dear parents and beloved students. It gives me immense pleasure to be here this evening, to be a part of your celebration of Annual Day.
I don't know.
Annual Day sums up the whole activities of the school of the academic year. I came to know that this is the 14th Annual Day celebration. And indeed, today is a red letter day in the history of St. Vincent's School, Phalapur, because it is growing from strength to strength. I know the school since 2020, as I had come for the inspection of the school. The task was given to me by the board, CBSE board, and I was here to inspect the school. And therefore, I know every nook and corner of the school. I have visited all the classrooms, the laboratories, the playground, the staff room, the principal's office. I have gone through all the documents of the school. I have met the students and teachers in the year 2020. And thereafter, I had been visiting the school quite often. And therefore I know what is St. Vincent's School, Phalapur all about. We are honored to have the best of management, a young bunch of the management under the able leadership of Father Sangram. At the outset, I would like to thank him for inviting me for this beautiful occasion of Annual Day. Right from the beginning up to now, I am bewildered and surprised because the surprises have no end. We could see the students of nursery up to the students of class 11 speaking before us so fluently. This didn't happen all of a sudden. It requires guidance. It requires training. And therefore, a commendable job has been performed by the management. Dear parents, be assured of the dedication, the love and the commitment of the management. They have dedicated the entire life into the service. Right now, they're serving your worthy children. And therefore, hats off to the management. It is said, teachers are the architects of the society. Just like an architect would design the building, he or she knows about the entire plan of the building. Similarly, teachers know their students. And I could see moving about the bunch of teachers, very young and talented, very efficient teachers. As I have said, I met them personally in the year 2022, and today the familiar faces I have seen. They are well trained, as we heard in the annual report. They have gone through several rounds of training. and they're fully dedicated into the upbringing of our students. They're imparting knowledge, not only what they have learned maybe in their lives, but from their daily experiences. They have been trying their best to bring out the best from our own loving children. And therefore, today, we indeed acknowledge the hard work, dedication, and commitment of our teachers of St. Vincent's School, Pylapore. Dear parents, a word of appreciation to all of you. आप लोगों की नंबर बहुत सारी है, आप लोग बहुत बड़े नंबर में आज इस संध्या की बेला में हमारे सेंट विंसेंट्स स्कूल के प्रांगण में जमा हुए हैं। यह दिखाता है कि आप लोग स्कूल को बहुत पसंद करते हैं और यही कारण है कि आप लोगों ने अपने बच्चे बच्चियों को एक सुंदर मौका दिया है ताकि वे लोग अपने ज्ञान को, अपनी बुद्धि को, अपनी विवेक को पहचान सकें और आप उनके जीवन में बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण रोल अदा करते हैं। न केवल कि आप उनके माता पिता हैं, परंतु आप लोग उनके सर्वप्रथम शिक्षक हैं। अगर आज हमारे बच्चे चल फिर सकते हैं, अगर वे बातचीत कर सकते हैं, अगर उनका स्वभाव अच्छा है, यह सबसे पहला श्रेय आप लोगों को जाता है, क्योंकि आप लोग ही उनके सर्वप्रथम शिक्षक हैं। आप उन्हें सद्गुण, सद्बुद्धि दी है अपने घर परिवार में और अब चाहते हैं कि वे अपने ज्ञान को, अपने विवेक को बढ़ा सकें। इसलिए आप लोगों ने सेंट विंसेंट स्कूल को चुना है और यह महान कार्य आपके बच्चों के जीवन में बहुत ही बड़ा रोल तो दिखाने वाला है। आज हम देख सकते हैं कि आपके बच्चे लोग यहाँ पर स्टेज में पूरे गौरव के साथ में, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ में सामने आ रहे हैं, हमारे से बातचीत कर रहे हैं, नाच गान कर रहे हैं, स्किट प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। यह दर्शाता है कि वे अपने जीवन में अग्रसर हो चुके हैं। मैं इसलिए आप लोगों को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूं कि आप लोगों ने अपने बच्चे बच्चियों को एक अच्छा मौका दिया है, एक अच्छा स्कूल चुना है जहां वे अपने ज्ञान को, बुद्धि को, विवेक को अग्रसर करते रह रहे हैं। Dear students, a words of appreciation to each one of you. Today is your day. You have learned in the past days the dances, the songs, the skits. But all these are not merely a dance or a song or a skit or a speech. It teaches you a lot of things. It teaches you to be disciplined. It teaches you to be more humane. It teaches you to collaborate and cooperate with one another. And the result is here, right before us. You have grown in the whole academic year of 2025-26. And as you sum up the academic year, the institution has given you a privilege to showcase your talents, your gifts, your innate and acquired talents. And therefore we have got lots of programs coming up next. As I mentioned, I was certainly surprised and bewildered to see the tiny tots of nursery, KG, class 1, class 2, class 5, putting up fantastic show. Congratulations to all the students. And I can assure you that you are under the guidance of good management, teachers and parents. Can you make best use of the given opportunities? We come to school not only to learn from the textbooks or not only to pass the examination. Certainly yes, you come to school to form your character, to to nurture your values, to grow day after day. At the end, I would like to implore God's blessings upon the management, teachers, parents, and the students of St. Vincent's School, Palapul. And I'm quite sure, good Lord may bless you abundantly. Do collaborate with one another, and certainly, yes, we are going to, with the pride of Palapul, pride of St. Vincent's, pride of Kachar, and the future pride of our nation. Thank you, and may God bless you all. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
I request our special guest